Hey, I'm Kimberly with Elixir Mentor. Jacob recently added recruitment services to help companies hire pre-vetted Elixir devs. I help with company outreach, so if you're hiring, I may be reaching out, or you can connect with us anytime at elixirmentor.com.
Secure your Elixir apps with Paraxial.io. From code analysis and bot defense to dependency checks, they've got you covered. Elixir first design with GitHub integration. Elevate your security at Paraxial.io.
Okay.
And we're live.
All right.
All right, awesome. Today is going to be a fun little vibe coding session. I have Daniil Popov.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay,
that's
cool.
Right.
Joining me, and I've had you on the podcast before, but it must be a year ago or maybe even longer.
Yeah, I think it was last September.
Okay, awesome, cool. Yeah, so pretty much just a year ago, and then we got you coming back on the podcast soon. So that'll be fun in a month or so. Yeah, a lot of you. The returning guests are always my favorite ones because I feel like you already know each other, so you just kind of like jump back into it.
Just straight to the point.
Yeah, exactly.
Not much of introduction needed. Plus, we follow each other on Twitter. We kind of know what's going on, and yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I think this will be fun. I sprung last minute news on Daniil though. I was like, I want you to drive today because I just want to talk code and drink coffee.
All right.
So what we're gonna do, I think we're gonna attempt to kind of like vibe code, and I don't think it'll be like strict vibe code. We'll see how it goes, but we're gonna make a Wordle style game. And just use GenServers and things for game state, and I think that'll be the cool part, right?
I mean, I think we can try to actually do like a proper vibe coding session, like when you do not open files, you just like lock in,
and then just make sure it works.
That's secondary.
I think we should look at files at least, because then we can see. Yeah, for sure. We want to make sure it's like building our GenServers correctly. But we'll see where it goes. We don't need to overplan.
Maybe you know what? Let's start with a small introduction, like at least how I came up with this idea, because
perfect.
I mean, all of us are building a lot of things, right, outside of work, and every dream, I guess, of every engineer is to build a SaaS, right, and grow it to 1 million annual recurring revenue one day, right? Of course. Silently, every engineer dreaming about that, and some not really silently.
And I think most people are always dreaming about building games, but they don't know how to make them profitable.
And here comes the second part. So how we can make an app, right, which would be fun, which would be Elixir, and as minimum dependencies as possible. So no database, no third-party services, no emails, no registrations. And then I was like scrolling through my projects, which I had in the past just for fun, and I had the emoji link shortener in Elixir. So you just drop in a URL and you just get random like emojis, right? And essentially, I got an idea just to have a GenServer, which would do an entire logic of Alias game. And me and my friends were just like hanging out in Discord, where we were like really bored. And that's how we decided to make an Alias game, right? So it's one GenServer. AI can generate you a beautiful set of words, like films, actors, simple sets, funny sets, game related. I mean, that's nicely scalable as well in terms of functionality. So yeah, all right. Then I'm gonna be sharing today, right?
Yeah, as long as you're cool with that. We can bounce back and forth too, but I really like the idea of just watching. Some pair programming.
Some pair programming. So I'll need to open SSH tunnel. I have no clue how to do it in Cursor though.
Let me. But yeah, are you good with me showing your screen right now?
How's it?
I'm gonna just share your screen. I just want you to know that I'm sharing your screen.
Yeah, of course. I thought it's automatically.
Oh yeah, no, I gotta switch views and things from time to time. And let's see, it is up now. Oh, now you can talk about Alias, I guess, because you were kind of talking about it and we didn't have a visual, did we?
Yeah. So I just wanted to like just showcase maybe quickly how it looks and what you're able to do. So you just start and create a simple lobby, create a game, pick your nickname, and that's it. So I literally just take the URL, and since I'm sharing my entire screen, it's anyway. Let's hope there is not much there, and I just gonna give it to you.
Sweet. And I am opening it, and I just make any nickname.
I will
join in game. Boom.
All right. So, and now if you create a team, so you will be explaining first. If I create a team, I'll be explaining first. So since I'm sharing the screen, I guess I'll have a bit more on the screen than you. So once you click ready, so that's obviously live view, real time. I see the same changes as you're doing. And if I start the game, so I'll see the word which I need to explain to you. So actually, I mean, we can try for a couple of words, obviously. So it's just 1 minute timer. So, it's usually the long one, which you're wearing during the autumn or maybe even winter.
Okay. And I'm just guessing here, right?
Yeah.
Even though I can read it.
All right. I forgot that you can see my screen. Anyway.
All right. Guys, Daniel's really good at explaining things. It's coat.
Well done. So, and I go next, right?
Okay, awesome.
And here's the thing, right? So I didn't want to put a dictionary in or any validations. So I was thinking how to make it even simpler. So let's imagine I didn't explain the week, or I said the similar word which has the same root or whatsoever. So, or I just skipped one because I didn't know how to explain it. So, end of a round. So you can say on your screen, actually, like -1 or 0, and you'll see these points validation across every teammate lifetime.
Cool.
In real time, sorry. So yeah, I don't touch a thing, and
you gotta love LiveView.
Man, that's my primary stack for the last couple of years. LiveView.
Me too. I was just saying, I've wiped my brain of everything else. I only know Elixir now.
Yeah, likewise. I mean, plus a bit of a C, Rust, Tick, and
Yeah.
So yeah, once you click next round, you see we got 0 scores because you marked one of my words -1 and one was +1. So essentially I got 0. But yeah, so once I click ready and now you click ready, you will get a button and I will have to guess.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at these games.
You can skip, you can press next.
Oh, all right, yeah. Okay, you put your head on this while you sleep.
A pillow.
Yeah. This is actually, it's my favorite color, and it's the kind of the theme of, yeah, there we go. The summer temperature is this. Boiling water is also
100 degree.
It's more, it's not cold.
Warm?
Warmer than that.
Hot?
Yeah, nailed it.
All right.
You use this to open a door.
A handle, like a handle bar?
I should say to unlock a door.
a key.
Yeah. Oh, all right.
A key, like, man, we're developers. We store it in.
Oh yeah. All right, look at that.
Yeah. So so now you can see that you scored 4 points, and totally our team has like 4 points, because if we will have multiple teams, so then teams can compete with each other until
that's
they get
cool.
30 points. So yeah, that's the whole thing, and it's driven 100% by one GenServer.
Now, so every game created is one GenServer, or does one GenServer hold state for every game?
We can go and check, and I'll show you.
Yeah, perfect. Cool.
Essentially, it's a one GenServer, and each session
one thing to keep in mind, our heads are in the top left and right corners too. So if you want to be able to see complete like edges of your IDE, you might have to just bring them in a little. Yeah,
I can do perfect. It. Just a second. I'm without the mouth.
That's perfect. Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. Cool.
I can make it even a bit bigger if needed.
I think that's good. I don't have a problem reading it, but if anyone watching needs it bigger, just jump in the chat.
Yeah, we will have like much to show, but yeah. Anyway, so this file is 100% AI driven, because I just said to it, create me a list of whatever words which I can use, and the latest one which I added was like films.
Nice.
Scarlett Johansson, Amy Adams. So yeah, anyway, you got plenty of creativity. Here, obviously, just like some simple mapping, and there's nothing special to see here. It's just plain lists. And yeah, so if we go to application, it's a normal Phoenix from the boilerplate. So when you do phx new phx.new, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you generate it, and the only thing which I modified, actually I don't see it here. Supervisor. Yeah, I think it's called Game Supervisor.
And is that springing up your GenServer?
Yeah, should be. Oh. Or I'll check a bit later. And here, the entire logic of the game. So absolutely everything what's happening, from creating session, joining the server, leaving the session, joining the team, rejoining team, like all the actions which we were just like showing live on the Alias game. Here it is. So all the public ones.
Is state just like a keyword list then with all the tuples?
Yeah.
Cool.
And then essentially that's the state, right? So that's like the state of our game session.
Okay.
So you have like the unique session ID, you have default difficulty, language, and then like of course you have like the set with the players, you have list with the teams, and for the teams I have like automatic team 1, team 2, team 3, so you cannot pick up the name or anything. It was as simple as possible. Yeah, so here it's needed to store. So when we were switching sides, right? So when you were explaining and then I was explaining. So here we just store who gonna explaining next and who just explained, so that we keep the order.
And is that that's a team value at that for those?
Actually here it's
player value.
No. So actually that's a list of it's taking it from the list of all players, and then it doesn't really matter in which team you are. So if you're explained first, then another team gonna explain, and they're gonna take the first person from that team, and then just inside of the team you're gonna switch it.
Okay.
So even simpler. Words used, so we don't get the duplicates. Remaining words. Round start timer. So that's what you saw, like the timer is well updated on the back end. Target score. So there is nothing special. So cleanup timer created at and last activity is used just to clean up the state of the GenServer. So if you have like 100 sessions and let's say 90 of them abandoned after some time, it's just gonna clean them up from the memory and just wipe it, and that's it. So
okay.
So I don't know, like that's the idea I got, and obviously with the help of a Claude, it generated almost everything. So I was tweaking some of the things, and then I don't know what else to show. So there is just like one live view which spawns some updates, right? So you saw, I mean, that's me debugging things. I don't know what else to show. The only thing which my friends ask me, like if the connection dropped or you refresh the page so that you can simply go back, right? I was initially trying to do it in the local storage, but once you store things there, you have a lot of flickering because LiveView doesn't have direct access to the local storage. You have to go to the JavaScript, and then JavaScript needs to spawn an event to LiveView, and then you have like flickering because initial state is different from what you got from the local storage. And the easiest solution was to use session.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, I think I still have like some things which I fire from JavaScript directly to the live view, but yeah. So window location.
I did just hit refresh, and it took me back into the game, so that's cool.
That's how it's intended. So I'm glad it's working. So yeah, I don't know what else to show. Obviously, once I started doing that, I had an idea that I just like gonna tell Claude, hey, can you just make me an amazing online alias game, stateless, NodeDB, and etc. And of course, it doesn't work, right? So a lot of people, when it comes to vibe coding, they think that from, let's say, 2-3 sentences.
Right. You definitely have to have like a worked out like markdown plan, right? With
exactly.
Yeah.
So, and even without vibe coding, I used to be a CTO, right? And I was managing a couple of departments with, I don't know, in total, maybe 30 people. And I must tell you, without writing those things down, even greatest engineers can go sideways. Like they might, if they don't have answers to some questions, right, during the implementation, or let's say some business related stuff, and then they make a small tiny decision what's supposed to happen in this user flow, or I don't know, something else, you might get completely different result from what you were asking for. Right? Because I didn't do my job properly. I didn't cover it in my specification.
Yeah.
So, and here it comes to the next level, right? So you need to be very precise what you're doing.
I like to call like Claude Code like your junior little developer, right? So you have to lay things out in a very organized and detailed manner, right?
So it's like a junior developer who is, I don't know, midlife crisis and... So yeah, I hope everyone understood what I mean by that. But yeah, obviously I had to prepare a very detailed specification of what I want to have.
Mm-hmm.
So, and I knew in my mind that I will have a different states, right? So that, you have a lobby creation. So nickname, you cannot pick the same nickname, and we need to validate that, there is no duplicates, because we don't have a database. We store everything in memory and things like that. So what happens on round end, what happens on game over, and you have to write all of this down. And obviously, writing those specifications and iterating through it, you can do as well with the Claude.
Yep. Yeah. Yep. And you can have it update, make adjustments, whatever you may need. Yeah. So what are we going to build today?
All right. So what we're going to build today, I asked our beautiful Claude, like what we can do similar, right, to this AliasX, and it suggested me to do the Wordle Battle. Essentially, you will have as well lobby creation. People gonna join, and they're gonna compete. Like you will have, I don't know, 1, 3, 5 minute timer, and who gonna guess the biggest amount of words?
All right, I like it. I'm so bad at these games, but it'll be fun. Like building anything with GenServers is probably the most fun thing ever.
So yeah, I just earlier today I just prepared this specification, and I just so maybe I can make it as well a bit smaller so everyone can see what's going on my screen.
Yeah, perfect.
Like,
should I create a repo? What should we call this game?
Can you do it like WordleX?
WordleX?
Yeah, because like I name everything X because it's Elixir, and
yeah, let's see. I feel like we shouldn't put X, but we can. Let's see. Maybe we should just call it Wordle Battle.
Wordle. Yeah, we can do that as well.
All right. Let's see. A new repo. We'll call it Wordle.
So I fork it, and then I do the PR or...
I'll make it public, and then you should just be able to push PRs. I could actually probably add you as a contributor, so you can just push.
Okay. I think I'll need to accept it somewhere, right?
Probably. Here, 1 second. All right, let's see. Add people. What is your GitHub? Is it
Lullaby? Like this? I can send you in a Discord.
Lullaby. I found you. You got a dog? Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
All right, I'm making you an admin.
Woohoo.
Don't do anything dangerous.
So we're not going to have a database.
And I will send you the repo link. There you go.
Yeah.
You know, one of my favorite things with Claude is creating readmes. Like, 'cause it like makes beautiful readmes now. Like, just does the markdown so well.
You know what's the fastest indicator to figure out that it's vibe coded?
Claude always tries to put its name on commits.
First, second, it puts a lot of emoji as well into commit messages, and it writes comments in the code.
I know. like I'll add to my like markdown file the agent markdown or Claude markdown to not do it, but it still does it, and you always have to yell at it. And it loves to add comments, even like I feel like in my projects it does it less in the code base, but like tests, it puts comments everywhere in testing.
Like recent underscore profile equal, I don't know, whatever, context fetch recent profile, and then it puts a comment like, here I'm fetching a recent profile, and I'm like, oh my god.
Like, it's obvious, the code says it.
All right, anyway, so I'm on Elixir. Just let me
and I don't think we'll risk sharing any API keys because
there is none.
Well, yeah,
that's the beauty.
Poor Mike was on my podcast yesterday, Hostetler, and he showed every single API key on accident when he was running through Rec LLM.
Oh yeah.
And it was a handful, so he had to go, like, after that live stream, he had to go and reset them all.
No, we're not gonna use any API keys. I mean, maybe for the fly deploy, but I'm logged in, so it shouldn't be an issue.
Yeah, perfect.
All right. Anyway, let's start with the absolutely fresh Phoenix app. So no active, live, Tailwind, and install the dependencies.
Awesome, nice and easy. Hey, it's kind of weird to do the no ecto flag. I mean, I like it.
It depends, because at SignView, I mean, we will talk about it probably in 2 weeks, a bit more, but we have a lot of like no acto applications.
Oh, okay.
So here we go. So let's open it in our beautiful cursor.
I feel like I stopped using cursor for a little bit, but I feel like I kind of miss it.
I honestly, on my Mac, I'm on Z for quite a while.
Do you like Z?
Yeah, it works. It works well.
Okay.
Nothing to complain, I would say. So let's do git add everything, and let's do git init. So we add your beautiful repository, and we gonna push. All right, so here we have Phoenix git init. Before our podcast, so as I mentioned earlier, I have the markdown specs for what we are doing, so I can just copy them into oh my god, I'm getting lost in so many. So that we can close.
You're on a single monitor right now?
Yeah, I mean, I had to jump to the office.
Yeah. So. No, that makes things difficult.
No, it's all right. I'll manage.
All right.
Sweet. So, I almost iterated couple of times through the specs, but essentially what we're doing here, right? A minimalistic, real-time, competitive Wordle game built with the Phoenix LiveView, utilizing PubSub, GenServer for the state management, session persistence, player reconnection, and automated cleanup. So all sessions get cleaned up, and we don't store them over time. Players compete to guess the most 5-letter words within timed session. So that's essentially what we're trying to achieve today. Session management.
I have a question, and I don't know if you have an opinion on it or not. Do you see, like, is there any limitation, like the way that you built Alias with having like the single gen server versus like dynamically generating one per game or something like that?
But why?
Yeah.
Like, what's the?
I mean, obviously having one is like the simplest solution, right?
So the only question, what happens if this GenServer goes down, right?
Every single game goes down, right?
Every single game goes down. But I'm quite a realistic person, and I know that my hobby projects, which I do, not gonna hit 1 million users.
Yeah.
And especially the ones which I've done for fun and just like vibe coded over an evening.
I think my problem is I like to over-engineer everything, so I'm always in my head.
So I'm now trying to, that's what I used to do for the last 10 years as well. And I was like, okay, what if 1 million users come tomorrow, right? So I need to have auto-scaling.
You got other problems on your DevOps side if you have 1 million users overnight, right?
and you're like, let's show a band there, let's offload everything to the queue. And I'm like, I got like 3 users, and I'm like, I'm not doing that again.
Yeah, for real. I think that's like all of our problems, right? Like we think we have to solve all these issues on day one, and you don't really have to.
So my stack at the moment, LiveView, Phoenix, as little dependencies as possible. In terms of the email services, I found Resend the most minimalistic one. And it has 3,000 emails per month for free.
Okay.
Which honestly you will use for the first year probably for free.
Right.
Based on my statistics and amount of users I got on my project. So
people underestimate like building the thing is the easy part. Getting users is the hard part.
And yeah, it is. All right. So since we're using Phoenix 1.8, I believe, and it's actually ships with the agents MD, so you don't need to specify everything by hand, so you can just use it and provide the plot.
You know, one suggestion. Well, I guess we don't really have that many dependencies, but usage rules is so dope.
Yeah, but what was with the dependencies here?
Yeah, we don't need it because we're not adding anything really. But I've been building in Ash recently because I'm building a course with it. But like usage rules is like a lifesaver.
Okay.
Yeah.
But Ash as well provides something similar to...
Well, so usage rules was made by Zach. And so basically it allows dependencies to make their own kind of like agent MD files.
Okay.
And then you can sync them all into your like Claude file, right? All through usage rules. It's really nice. And then so it's kind of like your project knows how to use LLMs with all your dependencies. It's pretty cool. Yeah.
All right. So as a next step, since today we have a true vibe coding session, and I think we must mention Jose Valim with TideWave.
Dude, TideWave is dope. Obviously. I got Jose coming back on my podcast beginning of December, and I'm excited for that one.
I mean, I hope I going to see him on CodeBeam beginning of November. So
oh, nice. That would be cool.
So maybe we'll send you a selfie.
That would, of course, you gotta.
So we're just dropping in a TideWave dependency. So here I would really love to do the contribution and remove those pluses. Because each time when I need to go to my endpoints and insert it here, thanks God, you see, I have a smart cursor who removes it for me.
There you go. Who did that?
It's like when you press tab and it's like modify 3 files and create a README file.
I bet the README was LLM generated.
Maybe. But yeah, anyway, so now we have everything ready almost. what we will do, since we are proper vibe coders, and we can say that we're not going to use terminal, we will use only cursor, and like we will have the terminal open here only. Steps.get. So we're going to get our TideWave. So, and then you need to say to Claude that actually TideWave is going to be available by that address. So I'm using the default config, which is supposed to be 400. So here we put as well 400, but if you have environment variable, you can put as well the variable here, but who cares? It's a one evening project, so we say like that. And since we are using DaisyUI, we can do that as well. If I would remember, where is it? I think it's here. We do the Cloud code.
Oh, I did not know this.
Yeah. So,
oh my gosh.
And it's added.
Dude.
Now we almost ready. So as a true vibe coders, so let me just commit everything. At TideWave plus specs.
Yeah, Nelson's asking, don't you need a proxy for TideWave? And I'm guessing you already have, you just pointed at it. You probably already have it installed.
Yeah.
But I have another, if you go to, I have a previous live stream. Let me look for it, where we completely set it up. So.
You mean like the TideWave with the interface?
No. Just like getting the proxy set up for TideWave.
Like with all these proxies,
like installing the Rust version, or don't you? You might not even have to do that anymore, do you?
I didn't do that. I mean,
okay.
If we go to docs and here, yeah, you can use the proxy, and I guess there is something using those proxies, but since we run everything on the local hosts, and yeah, you can just do that.
Yeah, I would run through this, Nelson, and then also like if you want like a step-by-step, like there's no reason for us to take time to do it, but I have a video with Andrew and Daniil Bergholtz where they walked me through it all. And if you go to that one, it's like AI built our entire Elixir app in 2 hours, and it's in a vibe coding playlist on my channel.
All right. So here, how I can make it? I'll try to make it more or less same size. Is it fine?
Yeah, that's good. That's good. I love the front end TideWave as well, like the LiveView TideWave dashboard.
Is it dev/?
Yeah, I think so. No, I've only used it one time, but it worked really well. Yeah, there it is.
Yeah, but now you need to log in and as well put your tokens in and things like that. So
yeah, that's true. We'll vibe from the terminal.
Exactly. All right. So as the next step, we have everything connected. What we need to do now. So that's how we run it. So dangerously skip absolutely any permissions. So we don't need to accept whatever it outputs. So we, constantly have.
Chris McCord introduced me to the dangerously accept. And I'm just like,
Exactly.
I still don't use it because I'm scared. I need to like sandbox. I need to work in like a sandbox environment.
If it's gonna run a REMRF, it's okay. Already committed. So it's
yeah.
Now, obviously, we need to do init, and we can actually say here based on agents. That's what I usually do. And
I didn't know that. So you don't have to rename it to Claude.
I have no clue if it's right or it's not right. But
okay.
Of course. Of course, because I logged in from the new IP address probably. And okay, so we can try again. All right, and it's starting to work.
Amazing. I've turned into a real big fan of DaisyUI. I like it a lot.
With the DaisyUI, I mean, I like it. The only thing which I find that almost all the apps which I've done, they look the same.
Yeah, that's probably true. Yeah. It definitely has a look to it.
And now, what I was researching, I think it's called Franken UI.
Franken?
Yeah, like Frankenstein.
Oh, okay.
And it's HTML version of Shatien UI.
FrankenUI.dev. Maybe. Okay.
Okay, so we created Claude MD file. Okay, amazing. So what I'll do here I'll just do for Git purposes. And so we have everything logged in. Git add claude.md. And we can go back to working screen.
Do you want to copy the contents of agents to Claude MD or no?
So honestly, what it does, it actually copies it by itself.
Oh, okay. See, I didn't know that little init. I like that. That's cool.
I mean, I guess in the wild world of web plus AI plus vibe coding, whatever works for you.
Yeah, no, for real. No, I love seeing how other people are using Claude Code and like other LLMs, because it just kind of like, it makes me learn more things, because I feel like I'm not good at staying on top of the LLM world, but it's cool to watch everyone's workflows.
Honestly, like for like my primary work, there is no place for AI. We work with things which are, let's say, not on the internet. It's like some reverse engineering and etc. Obviously, once you need to do some UI in Daisy, yeah, I mean, Claude is really good at that.
Mm-hmm.
But to do some reverse protocol engineering, binary matching, it's not really good for that.
No, it's great for making me a front-end engineer, because I suck at front-end, you know?
Exactly. So that's my primary use case. So now we can say, dear Claude, based on, we have our Wordle Battle specs, prepare a plan and then try to execute it. Now it's supposed to split it in those like tasks. So once you show multiple messages to it, you have the queue of the tasks. So now it's supposed to prepare it for himself and then execute one by one. And since in our specs we have quite extensive list of the things which it needs to do,
it's gonna one-shot it, right?
I hope so. That's what I was trying to do, like to have it one-shot.
Yeah.
Let's see. Implementation plan.
I feel like I rarely get that one shot. Maybe I got to work on my prompting skills. But, I'm feeling optimistic here because I think the plan looks good.
Did I share it to you with... you have it over...
I can pull it up on GitHub.
Yeah.
Here, we can share the GitHub with everyone as well. I can't.
So it's for some reason trying to make a dictionary. So that's actually not very good because I try to avoid having .txt files and things like that. So
yeah, maybe we should yell at it.
Yeah. So maybe we can just say interrupt here and say to him, can you make dictionary of words as a Elixir module and write test set of 100 words.
Yeah, otherwise we're reading files and having to parse things.
Yeah. And then you need to put it in the memory and etc. But and place it in our, how to call it, context folder, Wordle.
Back on track.
So yeah, I don't know. What should we do? Have a coffee?
I mean, if you want to go get one, go grab one.
No, I mean, I'm joking.
Yeah, now we just see, that's the thing. Like when you're waiting on, I feel like you just have to build like 2 projects and you just have to go back and forth.
With the first one, I had a lot of like manual adjustments and like, almost line by line, function by function. But then what's the good thing about Claude and all these LLMs, you can say to it, like, take all the steps which I've done and write it as a, step-by-step guide for my next project. And that actually works really well, especially if you can grab the Git history, and if you had really good commits, like atomic commits by the rules, it actually understands it really well.
So like that's a little trick that I like to do too. Like if I'm working on a feature and I kind of let it write a lot of the code, I'll tell it before I do a PR or a push, I'll say, can you look at the Git diff between this branch and develop and make sure that we're adding the minimum amount of changes and you're following the same patterns that are in develop. It's like a magic sentence, and it does an awesome job. And then it'll suggest changes and refactors.
Well, I don't know, like actually, what are now the use cases for this vibe coding, LLM code generation? Like people really use it in production, or?
I think so, yeah. I mean, like honestly, like at my day job, we're pretty heavily using it. I will say though, it's more used to generate tests for us, and like a lot of times like we'll create agents, like we have an agent called Neckbeard and that agent's not allowed to write any code, but it's really good at diagnosing problems and like researching our code base. So like let's say I haven't been in the code for a while and I can't remember like I don't know, order state transitions or something. I can have it go research the flow, and it'll give me like a markdown printout of how the flow and transitions work. Mm-hmm. And so I can like have it investigate things for me, which is really nice. I like it using it that way.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's
but
good.
But for the tests, it's like generates, like a dummy test, like 2 + 2 = 4, validated it's 4, or it can do the edge cases.
It honestly, it does a pretty good job doing edge cases. Like if you add a new module or a new function and you ask it to write tests for the function we just added, I would say like 99% of the time it's writing pretty decent tests. Like it usually covers all the cases that I would sit and spend maybe an hour thinking of, you know?
Okay, that's interesting. But
Yeah.
is it I don't know, like some arithmetical logic? Is it more, I don't know, like some user flow, or?
It could be all of the above, right? It just depends what layer we're at. Like with like my day job, we have a GraphQL, so we have our graph layer. So like we might have query and mutation tests, but then we'll also have like context layer tests, like all the way down to schema. So it kind of just depends.
I see. Let's check if it's.
Did anything break?
No. I just switched to the browser.
Can you pull up the uncommitted files on your branch tree? See what it's cooking.
So it's doing. So yeah, it's just done our test words. Yeah, nothing special here. It's already modified our application, so we have a session supervisor. So that's what you were asking, right? In my previous games, I have like one GenServer, but
let's jump into the Wordle server that was created too.
Let's check. So what it start keyword session ID, okay, duration.
So it's create. Oh, cool. So we're creating a dynamic GenServer for every game.
Yeah.
Nice. All right.
Session ID, user ID. It's interesting how it's gonna do the user ID plus nickname, but let's see. Submit a guess, new game. Yes.
Dude, nice. And then handle calls.
Broadcasting updates, mark player connected.
Dude, that's pretty awesome.
And what I really like about Elixir, so if it compiles, there's like 90% chance that it's gonna work. So for the LLMs, it's actually great.
Well, what's nice with TideWave though too is if it doesn't compile, it's really good at fixing it, because it kind of can just run the agenic loop and look at logs and things. And
I remember there was for Ruby on Rails, long time ago, like, I don't know, 10, 15 years ago, there was a library. So if you have an exception in your code, it's just going to delete like this line of the code. It's going to restart the server, and it's going to do it until it's, going to work without this error.
That's one thing. Like, actually, I haven't really had to worry about it, but sometimes with tests, like if a test fails, it'll just fix the test to pass instead of fix the bug in the code.
Logic.
Yeah, you got to be careful with that.
Look, it's even created like the structures, and
yeah, it's not bad. Here, I'm gonna just run an ad real quick, and then we'll be right back, guys.
Hey, I'm Kimberly with Elixir Mentor. Jacob recently added recruitment services to help companies hire pre-vetted Elixir devs. I help with company outreach, so if you're hiring, I may be reaching out, or you can connect with us anytime at elixirmentor.com.
And we're back.
All right. So, Mr. Claude is saying that it's finished.
Oh, okay. Let's check it out.
So we have the home live. We have the session, like the game session.
Awesome.
Let's see. Create a session, duration, Wordle Battle, compete to get the most words. All right. Hey, man, look.
What? Look at that. It even looks pretty good.
Create new game. And the button not clickable.
There's no event.
No, probably there is event, but it's not really handled well. So exited server supervisor.
So like what I would do,
maybe because it's modified the application, I have to restart actually.
Oh yeah, you can try that.
So maybe that's the trick. Let's see. Creates and no,
nope.
we still. Oh, that's a different one.
That is a different error. Yeah.
Session ID not found.
So we must not. Oh, it's generating one. It's probably trying to. Oh, I don't know. What I would do now is just ask Claude to use TideWave and fix the error that's in the log. You don't even have to. Yeah, you don't even have to copy and paste. Just tell it to look at the logs.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at the logs and.
You might want to remind it to use TideWave to do it, but yeah.
Let's actually check. Oh, you know what? I didn't check if it was even connected. No, both.
Yeah, you're
both
good.
Are fine. No, we are good. Use TideWave MCP to check the logs and fix the error. Let's see. I don't know.
Let's see. Boom, boom. It's gonna work. I was so impressed when I first learned about, like when I first used TideWave. It was in a live stream. It was with Daniel and Andrew, and it was like mind blowing.
No, I mean, I still impressed. How
I am too, for sure. But yeah.
Because I remember, like, once you had to share the state across different clients and etc. It was so painful. You had like those. Man, we were doing REST for I don't know how many years, like creating those JSONs. Oh my god! Then people were trying to solve it with the GraphQL, which was just hiding a lot of complexity, and I don't know.
Yeah, like I like GraphQL, but I also see the issues with GraphQL. Like I don't know, I'm on the fence. I can't make a full decision. Are we using?
It has like
yeah, we're just. Nelson asked, "Are we using the free tier of TideWave?" So TideWave through the proxy, when you're not using the Phoenix LiveView version, I don't think you had to pay for it. I don't know how it works, honestly.
I mean, I was checking the code of the TideWave. If I understood correctly, it's just a couple of tools. I think around like 7, maybe 10 of them. Which are like listing files of the project, excluding some dependency.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so it's the free version, and I've used the trial bit of it for, I don't remember what project. I was just messing around with a LiveView like weekend project to check it out, but I would consider paying for it. I think it's a pretty good product, but I try to limit my LLM
usage
budget,
Okay, it looks completely different now.
We should have told them to not change the UI.
And I didn't make a commit, so we are screwed.
Yep, that's the problem with that vibe coding, right? You got to commit.
Yeah. So, how's the Claude doing this session? It's okay.
I will say though, for Claude Code, I pay for the Pro, whatever the higher one is.
But what, you need to pay for the TideWave?
I think there is a pricing. Let me pull it up. I'll look, because I don't want to just make things up. I don't know.
Oh, I see. That's
you were in your session. They just kind of screwed up theming. You might have to be like, you got to fix light mode and dark mode.
Yeah. Let's see, because it's probably what it's done. It's you see, background white. And we need to say, actually, try to.
Okay, so I see. So the free tier with TideWave, you get database access, logs and runtime introspection, code evaluation, and documentation access. So that's all we're using. And then the pro tier, which is $10 a month, you get in-browser coding agents, which is the LiveView. Like, so you can pretty much do what we're doing with Claude Code, but in a window pane in the browser next to your project.
Okay.
And then you get contextual browser testing and full stack web framework integration. So it's more front end stuff.
And I still need to pay for whatever LLM on top.
Right. Yeah.
Right.
I'm not against it though. I think you gotta make money with projects that you're building, right?
No, for sure. To use the theme colors. I don't know. Anyway, so it's trying to do something, and sometimes when it takes just too long, and we take background white, we copy it, we go here, background white, replace with nothing, and that should be fine. No, it's not. Maybe there is some leftovers. Maybe not background, but something else white. I don't know why it's texts.
This is where I just yell at Claude. I feel like the UI is so ugly, bro.
Yeah. I just read an article today that if you start being crude with LLM, it's actually becoming a bit better with responses.
That's funny.
Anyway, so we will fix the theme later. We're just interested in functionality. So join, not ready. And of course, we got another error. I don't know what it's trying to do.
I have noticed it'll usually struggle with a lot of GenServer stuff with getting it right on the first try, but it's normally pretty good at working its way through. I've also had issues with session stuff where you kind of you have to kind of battle through it.
You mean the server session or?
Yeah, any mostly cookie session stuff. Any JavaScript.
Yeah, it didn't touch anything. Let's see what it's done with the session. Because anyway, it's gonna compact the conversation, or we'll
Oh man, we already maxed out our context, huh?
Yeah, man, it's generated entire app. What do you want?
We just started.
Yeah. Maybe you know what? It's gonna be wise if we say just whatever we have at the moment. We just call it first shot or something.
Perfect.
So I don't know why actually compacting conversation takes so much. What I usually do, because I'm a lazy bastard, I just restart the Claude.
Yeah.
If it's against some politically correct whatever.
I think that doesn't look bad.
It's actually fixed it.
Yeah.
Enter. Test. Join. All right. So, and we're getting error. And I guess now we can say, hey, Claude, use TideWave MCP to check the logs and fix the error.
Perfect.
But I really liked the initial screen.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah. See, I'm a fan of gradients, and I know some people aren't, but I think it looks good.
What I noticed, whatever gradient it generates, it always purple to like blue. I don't know why.
That does seem like, I was always wondering, like, do I just like kind of lean that way because I'm a big fan of those colors? I don't know, but yeah, it does. Maybe I've let the LLM train me.
So I found 2 critical errors in the logs. Let me create a plan and fix them.
Perfect, Claude.
But let's actually see where it's. Oh yeah, like what I was saying, that it's created a nice, beautiful structures, and now it doesn't know how to deal with them. And another thing with the Claude, what I noticed, like during the day here in Europe, it works fine. But whatever I try to do in the evening when the whole America wakes up, man, it's
and
like
then it goes to trash.
10 times slower.
That's funny.
Unless the access.
Look at that, and it's fixing our struct.
And another cool actually use case, since we have like really a lot of integrations and supporting like different things, it works really well as a search tool across the code base.
Yeah, for sure.
Like that I was surprised.
Yeah, it's really good. Well, it's like setting up the sub agents. Like that's what I was saying with our neckbeard one, to be a research agent of the code base. It's amazing. Because then it can find anything, and then it gives you, a little description of what's going on.
Whatever.
I have a good feeling. I mean, we're not one-shotting it, but we are building something.
I mean, if it would produce it from one shot, I would maybe patent my specification creation, or I don't know.
So that's all you got these days, is like how good of prompter you are.
That's actually happened to me. Like me and my uncle a year ago. I think it was actually January of this year, like 9 months ago. We started an app where you just drop a photo and it's gonna calculate the macros of your food, right? And we made this.
That's cool.
And we made the simple Telegram bots which would do that. But then my friend of mine, like she's a nutritionist, so professional one, and I asked her to help and test it out, and she was like, it lies in 50%. It's like off. Like instead of 500 calories, it would say that it's like 1,000, and vice versa. So instead of 1,000 calories, it would say it's, I don't know, 350. So it's unreliable. And we kind of stopped testing it, and I don't know. And then I see the news 2 weeks ago. The guy, 18 years old, who made absolutely same app, he's made $30 million this year from like same idea, but he found out how to do the prompt properly, and it was like much more precise.
That's wild.
So yeah, it happens. So we click ready, and again, nothing happens because probably I didn't restart it, I guess.
It's possible.
Yeah, because if it's in the GenServer,
that's true. Yeah, you got nasty state.
Oh,
hey!
Start game.
Whoa!
Enter guess. I don't know. Actor. Look at me.
Whoa! Look at you. It's like
I don't know.
You're hacking your own game.
I surprised. I mean, we had like what, 2 iterations?
Yeah.
Anyway, mentor. No, give me suggestions, please.
Let's see here. Apple.
None.
Oh, I'm playing the game wrong.
Like you have or and are, but they're in the wrong place.
I see.
And as well, I see that.
Are they always 5 letters?
Yeah.
Okay. This is hard.
It hurts.
Let's do roped.
Roped.
Yeah.
Not in the word list. Because we created a test word list and it's not correct. So we need to fix it. How we can actually simplify that?
Let's look at the code.
Anyway, it's
functioning.
Something.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
So let's I just do git add everything.
Second shot.
Word. Yeah, okay, let's do second shot. Works somehow. And since it's vibe coded, we're gonna add a beautiful image.
Yeah, you need it.
All right.
To the moon, baby.
Work somehow. Yeah. Anyway, now let's maybe do some thinking and.
Whoa! Do some thinking? No.
Sorry, I forgot.
I'm just kidding.
No. So it's created a dictionary. So that's apparently the words.
Okay.
You know what? I think we need to drop the dictionary validation of the word. So you can type whatever crap you want.
Mm-hmm.
And then we just compare against the set of the words which we have here in dictionary. So you can type like A, B, C, D, E. Right?
Oh, I see what you're saying. So like our form validation is kind of working against us right now.
Yeah, because like we need to bring entire dictionary in.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure how to simplify it.
I think we should tell Claude to simplify it and just kind of change the specs of how the gameplay works, right?
Yeah, exactly. All right, so we're gonna tell, please update our how it's called dictionary set of words. Let's say we would like to have 200 unique words, but in the form where player submits the guess, we should not validate against dictionary. Let user input whatever string. Yeah, like this, or
I think that makes sense, right?
Where player submits the guess, we should not validate against the dictionary, so let the user input whatever string.
Right, because then it takes up a guess, right? But they don't get any points.
Yeah. So you can you might unlock some letters, and obviously it's, let's say, not very traditional Wordle way, but I mean, who cares?
Exactly.
Okay. Almost.
Well, it ended with the timer properly, so that's cool. Average 999.00 attempts. I don't think that's working.
Yeah, I think attempts a bit wrong. Let's actually check how it's doing that while it's doing something. Server attempt.
State.players.
That is a bit.
That seems, yeah, like we're taking the head of a list from players. Wait.
But why plus plus? So it stores attempts as a list.
Is an attempt an actual word? It must be. And then we're counting the list length?
Yeah, so if you put, let's say, whatever word, but how does the total
attempts length? Yeah, okay. It must not be adding things to the list properly though. Oh, it's called current attempts, not attempts. Current attempts.
No, current attempts which you have, like in the session.
Okay.
Then total, it's like on word complete, you take the length of them and put it as a total. Maybe there's okay. All right. Else.
Oh, that's funny. Okay. So if words guessed is greater than 0, so it didn't calculate any of our words guessed. It wasn't greater than 0, right?
So what we can do, we can just say total attempts maybe, because we have like 0 words, and that's how many attempts we spent.
Yeah, I think that makes sense.
So yeah, the problem was
hard coding 999.00.
Like you retarded human.
Oh man.
Yeah, that's fun. All right. Anyway, new game. I don't know. Test. Join. Nickname already taken. That's
test 2.
No, but why it doesn't store it in session yet? Anyway, test 2. Ready. And now, because of this, my clone, I won't be able to start. But what we can do?
Just kill the server, maybe.
That would be too easy. Start game. All right. Now let's try A, B, C, D, E. Oh yeah. Now it works.
Okay.
Man, I'm really bad at this game, especially in English. So okay.
I don't think I know how to play this game.
What do you mean?
Like, all right. Explain the goal.
So you have a word which is hidden, right? So, and it's random word. So once you start typing your guesses, so this word which we're trying to guess has a word letter E.
Okay.
And since it's green, it's in a right place. And
so the last letter is E.
Yeah, and we have somewhere letter B because it's orange, but it's not in the correct place.
Oh, okay.
So it's something like, I don't know.
So E is the last letter.
Yeah, and B somewhere.
And then B somewhere.
I don't know. Combi. Is it a word? No.
Well, maybe. I don't know.
Two developers trying. Anyway, so A is not there. We can do, since I feel a bit retarded, honestly. Even without proper rules, I cannot play this game.
Oh man, me too. All right, let's see.
Actually, I see that there is an issue. And,
what about like table is or above? Try above. Let's get it. It's going to be an A word. Oh, A is not in there. Never mind.
And now it's another word, so we lost the last
Our
one.
timer doesn't work well either.
Yeah, I see that's it's not very well updating.
Maybe Bible or no, we don't have B in there.
No, but it's already another word, so we're lost. So
oh, I see.
Anyway, our Opa.
Oh, something broke.
Okay.
Not afloat. TideWave, where are you at? Oh, and also mention that our real-time updates.
And then the second I'll do the timer.
Yeah.
And during game session, our timer seems not properly updated. Should be changed every second. Because that's my mistake. Because the total attempts is, and I put it as an integer.
Oh, that's funny, because it's looking for an average.
Yeah, and it's float.
And now it's going to put 999.00 back.
Now it's just divided by 1. And like to the float to binary. What? Anyway, I mean, I'm already quite impressed.
I'm impressed. It's doing a pretty good job, and it's not that ugly. It looks pretty good. I mean, I can't read that game though. The 0 points.
Yeah, because it's sometimes just put the text white, text warning, and you see it doesn't know that color, and it's colliding with the background. From yellow to yellow. So if we remove that, yes. Anyway, I don't know. Timer not updated, so let's check if it's updated the timer.
Hey, it works.
Table above. QWERTY.
We need to just look at our dictionary. All right, so we have A, B, and R.
And all of them in the wrong places. So rabbit? No.
It could be.
No, but isn't it has like 2B?
Yeah, 2 B's.
No.
Can you not have double letters? Let's do brave.
Oh, look at you.
Oh, 3 in the right order too.
Yeah.
Brand.
Almost.
All right, so it ends in an N. B-R-A. B-R-A blank N.
Brain.
Brain.
Brain?
Yeah, BRAIN. No.
Oh,
or did we get it?
Yeah, it looks like.
Ooh. Oh, yeah, we got one word. All right, now we start over or what?
No, now we have another word, which is like a new one.
Okay.
Let's start with okay, A and T.
A and T, and let's see. A and T, but not at the beginning. I'm cheating.
So you're trying to go through our dictionary.
No, I'm asking Claude for words. Try total.
Oh,
hey,
portal. No.
Toast.
Toast.
Oh, it doesn't
like
start with a T though, does it?
Yeah, it doesn't.
Actor.
Oh, that's a good one. Almost.
Oh, it starts with an A.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm cheating.
That's all right. I mean, for the testing.
I could really cheat and just go straight to our dictionary, but I don't want to.
Now we have 200 words. I mean,
let's try. Oh, that's true. Let's try abort. No, it doesn't have R. Don't do that. About.
About. Oh, ooh, look at you.
Okay, so Claude is so smart. My IQ has definitely dropped since using LLMs. All right, let's try. Okay, it's not about. Let's try abort. Oh, it doesn't have a B. Don't do that.
No.
Aloft. ALOFT.
Aloft?
Yeah. Nope.
No. Up, R, not there.
We have one more guess. We can't mess this up, guys.
All right. So adopt.
It could be adopt. No, it doesn't have a. Oh, it could be.
Yeah, it could be adopt.
I think it is.
Yeah,
we got it. Yeah.
2 words.
With 10 seconds to spare, we got 2 words.
Yeah, just
in 5 minutes. Hey guys, we're programmers. We're not wordsmiths, okay?
Average attempts per word 6. We got 4 points. Why it's 4? It's like 2 per word.
Average. Wouldn't an average be 6 if we kept getting 6? How's that working?
No, it's like how many attempts you have to guess the word. So on average,
we
6,
got 1 word with 6 attempts,
and then the second word we got as well with the 6. How it calculates the points? I don't get it. Calculate score. All right.
So it's just our own kind of point system.
Yeah, so if you guess it from the first try, you get 6. From 2, you get 4, and then
if you suck, you get 2 no matter what.
Yeah. So we got 2 per each. All right. I
mean,
mean,
this is pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie.
We say that git add everything. We say third shot.
Third shot. Timer works.
I think I have some bad character there. No. Fixed timer and removed validation, right?
Yep. I think that sounds right.
Yeah, and of course now we can I put just GIF there? All right, so git push. I don't know. I'm quite happy with the result. So it was.
I think it's good. Let's tell it to fix the UI on the top, the test with the white text.
With the yellow.
The yellow. Yeah.
But that was after game, right?
Yeah, so that's the final whatever that. It's all in one live view though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do we say it? Can you fix contrast of the UI after in the after round state?
Yeah. I feel like the yellow and the white, it sucks.
Yeah, because it's like yellow 100, yellow 200, and if you put white, they're way too close in terms of the contrast. They're too light. Do we have any questions in the chat?
No, we got Nelson and Vadim randomly guessing words for us, but
okay.
Everyone else is just on the edge of their seats.
No, I guess once we're going to fix this, we're gonna try Claude to do a bit of a DevOps.
Yeah, have Claude take it to fly.
Of course, and then we can give everyone to play with. And
ooh, all right, that'll be fun. I'm not gonna win, even with cheating.
Yeah, because we need as well to test like multiple users. I mean, I can do it here on the local host, but
yeah, that's true. Well, how is reading logs and stuff with Fly? Pretty good.
Oh yeah, it's all right. Start the game, so we just bloat. I don't know.
Hey, look at that.
So
I'm not good at these games, man. We should have played something that requires less brain activity. Oh, Brown. Oh, we got extra points for that. We had to.
No,
because it was. Dang it, we got to change the scoring, dude.
Oh, maybe we can do, like 6 it's from the first attempt, 5 from the second, and then,
Yeah, that wouldn't be bad. Or like just put in an admin hack, so whenever we play, we get the high score.
But it's anonymous.
That looks way better. That's not bad.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
Let's do git add everything. Third force. Fixed UI contrast for after round. Git push. So let's try one quick test here, like locally.
Yeah, for 2 players.
So I want to go home, let's say 5 minutes, so I'm not in a rush. Create a new game. We say test 1, join. We take the same URL, put it here. Test 2, join. Yeah, look at that. Can you see both screens?
Yeah. Yep.
So I press ready.
Oh yeah,
ready.
Look at that real-time update is working.
Man, that's amazing. So we both can start. Table. Above.
Okay. So A, B, and T.
No. Notion decided to promote me on blockchain.
All right. Let's see. 5-letter words with A, B, and T. Boom. Come on, Claude, faster. We have abort or batch. Okay, so
B
try
first.
Yeah, and then so A is not second, so try beast.
Almost.
Ooh, all right.
DNA there.
All right, come on. We got to win. Who's going to win? Test 1 or test 2? Come on, Claude.
Maybe as a second step, we need to get TideWave actually
to play the game. that would make us look less retarded. Oh, that's not PC. I can't say that. I've been told. Let's try blast. No, there's no T. There's no T or S. There's no S or T. Come on, Claude. We need you. All right, let's try. It just totally dropped the ball on this. All right, let's try black.
Oh.
Blank.
All right, and here we do just to test. No, it gave a different word.
Oh, that makes sense, doesn't it?
No, everyone should guess the same word.
Oh.
That's completely wrong. You see, good that we tested that.
That is good.
Yeah.
Matt is laughing at us.
All players.
Hey man, we need you here to help us guess words, dude. They're not good at wordsmithing.
Same words, not different ones. Anyway,
because it should give the score to both people, right? Just like
yeah, but it should be like the same word. Otherwise, you might have I don't know.
There's
maybe simpler, maybe harder. I don't know.
There shouldn't be different session IDs. Oh, that's probably what's happening. It's probably generating a random session ID. I've never played Wordle either.
ID, but then it's probably giving a random word for every user instead.
That makes sense, yeah.
But yeah, anyway, let's see what it's gonna show after game. The timer works quite smooth now.
Yeah, it looks good. I like the gradient change, the background color as the time goes down.
Yeah.
When does it turn red? At 30 seconds?
Maybe 15 or even 10.
I'm on the edge of my seat.
Okay.
Yeah, I like it. We should do some like anxiety ticking noise the last 10 seconds, like beep, beep, beep. Look at the address bar. They're the same.
Yeah.
6LDGAS. Yeah, those are the same.
Oh yeah, that's the thing. Already picks the word not yet used, so players will get the same sequence of word as they progress.
Yeah, like each round has to be the same, right?
Yeah, it's doing some shenanigans. All right.
Look at that. Look at that. Player 1, test 1 wins with 2 points. 0 attempts. What? We didn't have 0, did we?
No, I think I had like 1.
1 or 2?
Or 2.
Yeah, because we discovered it not being the same word. So we found another bug.
Look. I already impressed that it's just created me a Wordle game so I can play on my local host.
Yeah. Now we can just launch this to the App Store and have 1 million users. It's ready.
Yeah, put a little ad. No, but it's fun. It's a lot of fun. I don't know.
It is fun. It's fun to be able to just like spin something up like this. And then it's also cool to just like look at the GenServers and see how they work.
Yeah. But I mean, honestly, if person heard about Elixir and doesn't know about GenServers, it's kind of,
Yeah,
should go together.
They do. Well, I think the problem is though everyone jumps on GenServers too quick and then they overuse them to hold state, especially if you're coming from like an OO world,
Yeah, maybe.
Because it's like the fancy shiny thing that everyone wants. Dynamic GenServers.
Yeah, so now
that's
low apparently. Let's maybe quickly restart, and I'll just restart the server just to be sure.
No, I think Matt said for that session though, test 2 is a separate game, so they didn't have any attempts in test 1's game. I think the attempt, maybe the state per player might just be wrong. I don't know.
Sorry. No, here I shouldn't create anything, right?
Right, you got to join it, right?
Okay, so both players ready. Start. I don't know, table. Can we just... where is our dictionary? You know what? Just a second. What I'll do... I feel that we look a bit stupid on our stream, even though we have the gas power.
I mean, we definitely are looking stupid. That's the fun part of live streaming, Yeah, just put like 5 words in there, or
exactly. So we're gonna keep, I don't know, let's say about actor and I don't know. Which one do you like?
I don't care. 5 of them.
Brain. Break. Enough. Okay.
And brick.
Okay, prick.
Perfect.
I'll just restart it. I mean, I know that it's compiled and everything, but I'm an old school guy. I try to...
Dude, I always restart the server way more than I need to, just because I sometimes just don't trust it.
Yeah, and as well, I do sometimes mix clean, recompile all the dependencies, even if it's not needed. But okay, so we take that, we connect, we do test 2. Join, ready, start. And about.
This is much better.
Yes, that goes much faster. Actor. Okay,
oh,
amazing.
Nailed it.
Like that.
4.
Hey.
And now actor. Oh,
yeah,
dang.
Boom.
All right. Dude, test 2's kicking test 1's ass.
Yeah, now let's do opposite. So if we do I guessed it from the
That's awesome.
So just just to play beat red heart, and we do brain. Okay. All right. So that part is fixed. I don't know why I put 5 minutes.
Because you don't like the pressure of working under a timer.
Yeah, it looks like. But no, anyway, let's maybe do to one word, and we quickly test the end game, the attempts, how it calculates the attempts.
Yeah, perfect.
So we do test 1. Here we do test 2. Ready, start. So I even forgot what's the word. So let's say here we try actor, do your work, we'd say about 4. Here we do like that, 6. Okay, so there is no more words. I guess it's supposed to throw now an error, but we're not gonna do that.
That's an edge case we don't have to test for.
That's if anyone would like to contribute to our public open source repository, everyone is more than welcome.
All right. It's almost there.
So one had 1 attempt, and test 1 had 2 attempts, and test 2 had 1 attempt, right?
Yep.
Almost there. Yeah.
And that's right.
If that's correct.
All right, cool.
Awesome. Winner, test 2. So now we do traditional git add everything. Let's call it 5th shot.
MVP.
No, sorry. I'm a bit.
Oh yeah.
Here we need to do. I didn't commit yet, so it's fine. So we keep this. Why it says. Why it's showing me that I have a change? Because.
You know what would be a cool contribution? Every time a session started, you generate the list dynamically and hold it in state.
Yeah, that would be definitely cool. Or maybe if someone wants to find the proper dictionary, which we can use, that would be nice as well.
Oh yeah, that would be cool.
I mean, for sure, it exists, but you just need to. Anyway, we say it's 5th shot, 6 attempts, and same words set.
Fixed rounds or whatever.
Yeah, and same words set per player logic. All right, so that's kind of works. Now let's close, because we don't need this context anymore. Sorry, I pressed something. So we say Claude, dangerously skip permission. We start absolutely new chat, and we say, Claude, can you deploy this app to Fly.io using minimum, how to say it, smallest server in Amsterdam region. All right. A bit of DevOps.
Will it work?
You'll see.
I'm going to be impressed, honestly.
It's supposed to actually do some stuff in the config. I hope it's not going to forget it.
It just starts displaying your API key in the text.
That's fine. It's just my email address. I mean, that's now they made, if I press Control L, which is supposed to be the clean of the console, it opens me the cursor chat. That's annoying.
That is annoying.
All right. So since it's your GitHub repo, so you will pay for the workers, I guess. No, I'm joking. You won't be able to deploy because I would need the key, the deployment key. Perfect. Configuration looks good. So it creates whatever secret.
Whatever secrets you need. Oh, that's cool. So it sets up all your environment variables and
yeah.
Nice.
So the only thing which is it's probably gonna make a mistake now in the Docker file, but let's see. I tried it at home a few times, and I had to provide just the correct version of the things.
Come on, Claude. Do better. I'm impressed, honestly, though. This is pretty cool.
Like what? We spent 2 hours, out of which we were, mostly chatting and doing nothing.
I haven't done a thing.
that's
I couldn't even guess 5-letter words. I did drink a whole coffee, so I did that.
Well, I mean, for me, it's almost 8 p.m. So.
Oh yeah, you don't want coffee at 8 p.m.
No.
I don't know about you, but I can't drink coffee past like 12, or I'm not sleeping.
It's dangerous because then you come back to coding at night, and
there is something nice about the peacefulness of evening coding, though, right?
Accept the fact that next day, you're like a mashed potato because you spent the entire night just.
That is true. Weird. Bloodshot red eyes, staring at a screen all night.
Yeah, because now I'm studying like WebRTC. Like, I mean, as you can see, I have a RTC on speaker, even though I've had nothing to do with WebRTC, but I got invited. And now I was like, now I need to do something with that, because I attended like a very targeted conference for the WebRTC guys, and like it's Software Mansion who made the membrane, cool. And almost all the libraries around WebRTC for the Elixir. And now, I have some projects where I'm doing some WebRTC stuff.
That's cool. Very cool. I tried to do some like screen sharing, like with that game I was telling you about, that Peggle style game.
Yeah.
We were trying to do like a observing mode where you could watch, a handful of games being played. It was so hard. I couldn't figure it out.
Did you understand what happened?
With what? My implementation or what we're
No, like look,
it's already up. What? Dude, I thought you were on localhost for a second. I wasn't paying attention. I'll share the link and other people can come and play.
That's freaking awesome,
dude. And just like that, let's create a game, and then I'll share the game session, and other people can jump on and play in the same game. All right, I'm going to make a 5-minute game because I need the time. All right. Elixir Mentor is joining. And here's the session, guys, in the chat. And I'll send it to you as well.
But everyone gonna see my screen, so.
Oh, yeah. Well, you know, you can't always win.
And it doesn't work for one simple reason. And I know what Claude forgot to do. And I will show you why it's happening. So if we go to Wordle Battle, if we go to logs.
Matt, someone just joined. Matt joined the game.
Yeah. But it deployed to 2 machines instead of 1.
Oh.
Because it's, 2 instances for the high availability.
It must be 1 machine, bro.
So, the last shot, and we try test with everyone.
Perfect. We're gonna use this.
We could make a distributed GenServer.
That would be cool. I've never done that. That would be cool. That would be a fun project.
I mean, you can do it through the Mnesia or ETS tables. So to store this like distributed state. But
is ETS distributed though? It can't be, or is it? I don't think it is.
No, I think it can.
Really? That would be cool.
I mean, for sure, there are like some libraries on top of that. Like, if I'm not mistaken, I was using Mnesia. So, anyway, let me. Yeah, now it should be.
It's back up. All right, I created a new game.
1 machine. We should be good.
All right, guys. Here's the new session. Oh, and Daniel's here. Look at that.
Oh my God.
Look at that real-time update of ready.
Do we wait?
Yeah, we'll wait. Come on, Matt. Join back in. Yeah, there he is.
Here we go.
All right. Who else is going to play? Nelson, come on, buddy. Are you guys still here? We still got a few people watching. There we go.
Okay.
All right, now you guys just have to click ready, and then we can start.
We wait maybe a few more minutes, or that's it?
Who else is watching, guys? Let's see. Vadim. Oh, I could. I don't think that my text shares over to X. Let me. Where's my live stream? Boom.
All right. I guess everyone except me, right? So, I mean, I'm ready. We can start.
All right. And then can anyone press start game?
Yeah.
It must be able to. Someone else press start. I want to see.
I don't know what everyone is waiting for.
I don't know. Who's going to press it? Maybe they can't. There it is. All right. Now, oops. So much pressure. Shoot. Oh, I can cheat off Daniel's screen. We all can. Oh, man.
Everyone who was laughing at us, now look at you.
That's right.
No, but really, it would be cool to pull the TideWave here.
It would be. TideWave, just have it like go. Because then it would know all the incorrect. I got it.
Look at you.
Look at that. Look, I have points. I got 2 points next to my name.
So you guessed it from 6 attempts, aren't you?
I think I got it on my 3rd or 4th.
Yeah, I think we didn't change the logic.
Yeah, which is fine.
Yeah, it's...
Ooh. I'm getting close, guys. To my 2nd word. I'm cheating, but I'm getting close.
I mean, I'm sharing the screen, so...
Come on. Boom, I got it. I got a 2nd word. I'm exhausted. It's the most work I've done all morning.
But does everyone know that they can type whatever they want? Like,
yeah, I think so. It looks like whoever Horace Silva is got a word. Matt and Nelson, you guys got to guess words, dudes.
Yeah, we really need to add some ticking.
Is it already game over? Oh, 40 seconds. Nelson's trying. Oh, okay.
What was this website? Like every sound com?
Come on. Did I get it? No. Dang it. And time's up. I win.
Yay.
I feel like that's cool. That's fun. 6 attempts. Okay, Matt and Nelson were trying. Okay. It could have given hints. Hey, that's a good feature to push. A little hints would be nice.
No, for that we do in-app purchase, you know.
Oh yeah, if you want hints, you gotta pay us $5 a month.
Yeah, each hint it's like, you know, microtransaction.
You know what would be a fun game too is like battleships.
Oh, that would be cool. Actually, you can simply do it in LiveView.
Yeah, that wouldn't be bad because it would just like a little 2D board, right?
Yeah, it's an array, so it's a matrix.
Yeah. That'd be cool. This was fun. Look at this, and it's live. It's up.
It's live. It's up. It's running. We spent 2 hours.
I have one request. Can you ask Claude to make a pretty README?
Yeah, just a second. We need to commit everything actually, not everything. Let me remove .github because you anyway won't be able to deploy to my private fly.
Oh yeah, remove that for sure.
Everything else I'm gonna leave, like the settings. If someone wants to deploy to their fly, they would just need to change the name of the app. Add fly.io, git push. All right. Please create pretty README MD for our project.
Let's see what it does.
So I'm not gonna check what it's gonna produce. I'll just commit it and
then we can look at it. That sounds great. This was fun.
No, I liked it. I mean, I hope everyone got an idea that the specifications the most important part.
For sure. See you, Matt. Thanks for joining, man. I'm glad we're not the only ones that suck at thinking of words. Everyone that played wasn't great.
No, that's cool. I don't know what it's thinking about, but it takes a while to do the README file.
It's thinking hard. Made with love using Elixir.
Yeah, you see, it puts like emojis everywhere. Like that's
it
how
loves emojis.
MD and the last commit for today.
Oh yeah! All right, a real-time competitive Wordle game where players battle to guess the most 5-letter words within a timed session, built with Phoenix LiveView for instant multiplayer gameplay. It even shared your fly link. That's probably not going to stay up though, but that's not bad.
It's okay. It's like.
Is it on the free?
Yeah, I think so. It's the smallest, like one instance. Plus, if it's not online, so I don't pay anything.
Okay.
No, I mean it's great.
It's a good README.
It's a bit light for the Node.js. You don't really need Node.js.
Oh, is there Node.js in there?
No. I mean for assets compilation, but it doesn't know that Elixir uses the how it's called. Like compiled one.
I'm not seeing
from
that.
From the dependencies, like ES build, I think it's called.
Oh yeah. Next task, next setup. Cool. This is pretty cool. Boom. Look at that, guys. I'll have to add the link to the show notes once the transcript generates. Awesome. Well, this was fun.
Yeah, honestly, I thought that it's gonna take us much longer, but
not too bad.
Yeah.
Now, I can stop sharing your screen. There you go.
All right.
I gotta get now. What is going on? Stop showing the chat. There we go. All right, cool. This was fun, and guys, thanks for hanging out, and thank you, Nelson, Matt, and I forgot who else was playing. There was one other person, but that was cool. Maybe it was Vedam. Yeah. No, that was cool. All right. Well, we'll wrap up. Thanks, Daniil. This was a lot of fun. And you never know where vibe coding live streams are going to go.
No, but actually, you should start a challenge. Like, so, if people liked it, they can take the specs, they can give it to Claude and, build something.
That would be cool. And then like all put up their Wordle Battle version. I think we should
not necessarily Wordle, like whatever they want, and to have a small challenge.
Oh, like make the best game using like GenServers, no databases, and go.
Yeah,
I like that. Cool. That would be fun. That would be a fun little like hackathon. Maybe we should. Oh, maybe we should do like a virtual hackathon day where you just we give everyone 2.5 hours or 3 hours to build the best, like no database, no Ecto LiveView games.
That would be cool.
Maybe that would be fun.
And maybe we can even, maybe pull some sponsors. I don't know. Or
go big or go home. I think we should do it. And we can have like guidelines around it. So like I think you can use LLM of choice, and like TideWave's allowed. Maybe we just allow anything.
Yeah, that would be a bit like kind of Wild West, because I think you can.
It'd be hard to control it. Yeah.
Up front, but I don't know. We should.
We don't give the specs until the hackathon launches. So you have to create your specs and do everything in the time frame. And then we announce the rules of the hackathon day of, just to make sure no one can make it ahead of time.
And test and just like redeploy to Fly.io.
And then everyone has to deploy to Fly.io. Maybe we should reach out to Fly and see if they want to help sponsor it. That could be fun. I like this. I think we should do it.
It's a nice promotion for the Elixir, like how Elixir is built for the LLMs. And, Fly.io on top of that. Anyway, 6th of November, I hope to discuss with the Jose in person.
Yeah. That would be fun. I'm going to have to think about this, because I feel like there wouldn't be a lot of preparation. It would just be me live streaming.
Like, imagine if you would join and like all the big creators,
Yeah.
That would be a thing.
It could be cool. All right, I want to do this. Guys, if anyone has good ideas around this, reach out to me. Let's talk about it, because I think it would be fun.
Yeah.
And I'll just be like an announcer. I got to figure out how to like drop in on people that are working, so I can be like announcing, and then I can drop in on contestant number 1 and like get an update, Oh, I like this. We got to figure this out. I think that would be cool. All right. Well, guys, thanks for hanging out with us. It was a fun little Saturday session. And thanks for the idea, Daniil. That was a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was super interesting to be on this podcast stream, as always.
Yeah.
Anyway, see each other in a week of time.
I think so. Well, let me look. I lose track of when people are coming on. You are here, next week, the 17th. Cool.
No AI promised. So next time, not a single word about
next
AI.
Time, just a bunch of boring talking,
You wish. IoT, embedded devices, LiveView on embedded devices.
That's really cool. I'm excited about that one. Yeah, that's going to be cool. After my Ash course wraps up, I want to do a nerves project, like something with IoT. I think it'd be cool.
Yeah, a lot of people get actually pissed when I say that we don't use nerves, but we don't use nerves.
That's okay. I won't get pissed. I'll just learn. Maybe I won't use nerves in my IoT project. Who knows?
And as well, I've done some esoteric stuff with the LiveView. I will tell you in a week. So
all right, sounds good. All right, guys. Today. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you guys. The next live stream will be with Daniil in a week. So see you guys.
All right.